Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use the garden guide on Grow a Garden. So this is a new kind of feature that they added. It's in the gear section. It's called the garden guide. You're just going to press on it and you're going to press on it again to see. So you can see like your profile here. As you can see, I'm still level 2. You can also see it in front of your garden. You'll see that you are level 2 gardener. You'll see your daily quests here. You'll see achievements here, the plants that you've unlocked, and then the pets you've unlocked as well, cosmetics, and the food that you've unlocked. I only need to unlock this, which I don't know what that is because I've unlocked donuts, so I don't really know what that is. I'll have to check, but you'll see the levels here as well. And here's where you can see the achievements you need to do and the prize that you can get from the achievements that you did. As you can see here, oh my gosh, I need to harvest 10 rainbow sugar apples. Like, that's insane. But that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.